You guys, we made it onto our dirt bike and we're just gonna be calmly riding it in the street. Now, this is very cool because on the right side, that looks like I could ride there where I have like this white thing. And yeah, this is just very cool. So we're just riding. I don't really know much to say. It is very cool. Okay. We got this area. Um this is very rural. Like there's not a lot of big highways here. Uh Don't really get why. Um, yeah, there's a stop sign. We're just gonna make a turn. Ooh, I see a truck. Hi, truck. Okay. You see over here. Ooh, there's another fellow dirt biker. Oh no, that's just a bike rider. Ooh, right there on the right could be a cool trail. And also right on these sides. This is super cool. Whoosh. This is cool. It might be a little boring for you. Okay. Like, there's so much area. And on that side, there's a big field. And whoosh, over the trails on the right side. And on the left side, just field. Maybe there could be farm there. I don't know. That's why I'm just staying in the street to be safe. So, yeah. Ooh, is that like a pond? That is a pond. Every time I see a pond, I think it's just like sand. Yeah, it's so cool. Ooh, birdies. Well, that's gonna wrap it up. I don't think I got any more stuff to show you or talk about. So, yeah.